Hello, my good viewers. Welcome back again to YouTube channel. Welcome back to Rebby Kid Foods. Please remember to subscribe to Rebby Kid Foods as usual. View the videos, like and share. Or if you're new to this channel, please remember the notification bell so that you can always be updated of the new videos. So guys, I'm today back with this recipe. This is just a vegetable. So I'm going to prepare spinach, creamy spinach today. So let's cook. Today I'm on vegetarians. For vegetarians, I'm here. I'm here with you. Someone DM'd me and asked me, you've always been making chicken, beef, what about vegetarians? So I've just started and this is the journey. So keep tuned with me and let's go. These are the Kenyan spinach. The reason why I call them Kenyan spinach is because the spinach, there are different types. Like if you look at other countries like DRC Congo, they have wild spinach. They call them wild spinach. And even if you look at the leaves, they are not as this. And also for other countries like the overseas, they also have spinach, and then their spinach have got some small leaves. So guys, this is Kenyan spinach. So Kenyan spinach looks like this, the way you can see it. And in fact, even West African guys also have a different kind of spinach. So guys, just comment down there and tell me how your spinach looks like. And please just let me know in the comment section from which country you are watching from. So this is Kenyan spinach. So I'm just going to share with you guys how to cook them. So I'm just untying them. So they untie it like this when you buy. And for this guys, because it's dry season right now in Kenya, this one goes for 20 Kenya shillings. So you can see this is 20 Kenya shillings. So this is the way they tie them when you buy them. So keep tuned as we move. So guys, for this spinach, I'm going to share with you step by step how we do it here in Kenya. So I'm going to use these two. I'm going to use 2 tomatoes and then 1 red onion. And this is the cream, the bio long life cooking cream that I'm going to use. So traditionally, guys, here in Kenya, we used to use cream that has been removed from milk, ghee, but this one's bought from the supermarket. So guys, keep tuned and let's just go and start by washing our vegetable. Preparing this spinach, we wash them as we remove them, so as we prepare them. So guys, when it's like this, we remove everything up to this point, because some people prefer cooking this, but it doesn't come out nice when you're using this. So this is how we make them. So you wash clearly, you wash them clearly, and then you remove them this way. It's always advisable to use running water so that your hands can be free to wash them well and to make sure that everything in the spinach is done. So guys, this is how we do it here in Kenya. So please just consider subscribing to this channel, Rebby Kid Foods. And my humble request is that you join the family. If you look at the Rebby Kid Foods, if you search Rebby Kid Foods, you'll find a button for join. Please click in there and join this family. Thank you for tuning. Let's continue. I've washed my vegetable. They are clean. So guys, this kind of vegetable is really recommended. It's healthy, it's nutritious, it has a good iron, and it's used in making different things. So apart from just cooking it separately the way it is here in Kenya, we also use it to make a recipe. Another common recipe called mokimo. It's very nice when you use it in mokimo. If you just go through this channel, you will see a recipe called mokimo. We also use it in softening some harsh vegetable traditional vegetables. Like in Kenya, we have some traditional vegetables which are very bitter. So if you don't want to reduce its bitterness, we use spinach. And guys, today I'm just going to cook it just the way it is, without any other vegetable. So guys, keep tuned. Them. So it depends on how you want it made. Some people prefer cooking it just the way it is, and some people also prefers cutting it into small pieces. Some people cut it but in big pieces. So guys, for me, this is how I'm going to do it. Not too tiny, not so much big, because it is soft. So when it's soft, once it is cooked for about just, in fact, if you want a nice one, which is rich in iron, you don't need to boil it for long. You just need to blanch it first. So I'm just adding some hot water just to blanch it. So next thing I'm going to do now is just to fry it. So keep tuned. So guys, I've just placed my pan now. I just want to start making my spinach. So I'll start by adding some vegetable oil, just a little, not so much, just enough. So I'll let it heat first. I'll just let my onions cook. Not necessarily, they don't need to be very brown, to be golden brown, so long as they are translucent. That is enough. I'm going to add my blended tomatoes. The reason why I've blended my tomatoes is because I don't want to see those two fibers in this vegetable. So I just want to make a good taste of it. So remember guys, I'm making creamy spinach. So at this point now I can add some salt to taste, all apart from the cream. So here I told you I have some cooking cream. I'm going to add the cream. I add cream as I stir. So you add cream twice, from the beginning while it's cooking. That is enough guys. Then you stir. The reason why we add it while it's cooking, so that it can melt. Remember guys, this is something that has been used, preservatives have been used in it. This is not the natural ones, the traditional ones. These are the ones which have been bought from the supermarket. So at this point now, I'll add in my spinach, and guys, it is going to shrink has gotten into the cream sauce. So guys, you can just see the cream. You can see how it looks so appetizing. So at this point now, we can just cover it and give it a just 2 minutes. We'll just cover it and give it 2 minutes to heat. Then we add the final cream. To check on 2 minutes are over. To check on my spinach, guys, you can see. As I told you, spinach normally has water in it, so I did not add any water to it. This was just the salad, vegetable salad, and the cream, the cooking cream. And you can see it has some stew here. You can see the stew. So I'll let the stew reduce a bit before I add in more cream to it. Remember, what we are doing is cooking creamy spinach. So keep tuned. So back, the cream has just the stew has just reduced. Now I'm just going to add the final cream to it. Look how appetizing. Just see how appetizing it is. So guys, this one you can serve it with ugali and something else, maybe any protein that you may be having. You can see this nice. So guys, you can see how beautiful, appetizing my vegetable looks. Guys, look at my creamy spinach, looking super yummy. So guys, this is so nice. You can serve it with ugali and any other protein that you like. So guys, please give my video a thumbs up. Thank you for tuning back to this channel. Thank you for viewing my video. Let's meet on another video.